In this quick demo, I'm going to give you an overview of Rapid, our cutting-edge R&D platform engineered to fast-track the evolution of AI-driven features for the video and media industry. Here we have some linear content that we recorded from a live stream, and our AI tools have automatically analyzed the content. If we look at the analysis, we can see the different layers that are done automatically with artificial intelligence. Here we can segment the content into camera scenes and camera shots, and we also include the automatic transcription that is synchronized and timed automatically, identifying the speakers and segmenting the in and out point. We also provide a contextual and semantic scene analysis. If there are scenes with different topics are discussed, for example in a news report, each one is segmented as a separate news story. Using this analysis, we can generate different highlights for different functionalities. We can create a highlight or an automatic summary based on this information. Because we create an automatic transcription, we can also generate subtitles for different languages and use that to generate automatic dubbing as well. For example, here we've generated French subtitles for this content. One of the very important features we do with our multimodal analysis is generate very valuable metadata. This includes an automatic summary, which is categorized according to the EBU taxonomy, and we can also create an IAB taxonomy, which can be used for advertisements. For example, in this clip, we can see a summary of the scene and the IAB categorization. With all this information, we can extract optimal ad points based on the contextual data that we've created from the AI analysis. We're able to automatically identify the ad points and assign them a score. This score is related to the ad point being aligned with a semantic change or a change of shot. We also provide information about the IAB context prior to the ad point and its polarity. In this example, we're talking about pets and conflicts, but in a positive tone. And then after the ad break, we can see that we're talking about business, economics, and shopping, but in a negative context. So knowing this information, we can inform the ad server to actually insert an advertisement for pets. With the same analysis that we do with our AI tools, we can use this to perform semantic searches. In this example, we're going to request all content in our library related to Donald Trump. Searches are done in several stages. We have a first search, and then we can refine that search based on additional criteria. The search results appear based on priority order, with obviously the most significant items first. Once we have done this search, we can interact with the content using different prompts. For example, I can analyze all of the content that has matched my query and have it create an automatic summary. Here we see the summary that's been provided of all the news items it has returned. And we can add some additional refinement based on search criteria. Our AI tools are multimodal, which means that we can use image analysis to create additional search criteria. In this example, we're going to use some visual cues to search within our news content. Rapid provides tools to design scalable, AI-driven workflows that form the backbone of our products. These workflows simplify media processing challenges, making complex operations intuitive and efficient.